Hello all. Welcome to Get Set Law. In today's episode of Law Library, we'll be talking about Maratha Reservation Bill. So this bill is passed for the third time by Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. So let us now understand a brief background of this bill before we decide or before we discuss about what all provisions are there in the current bill. So first of all, in 2014, a total of 16% reservation was granted to Maratha community on the basis of recommendation of Narayan Rane-led committee, which recommended that Maratha community should get up to 16% reservation in the matter of education as well as public employment. However, this reservation was stayed on by Bombay High Court. In 2018, Maharashtra Backward Class Commission was formed, which was chaired by retired Justice M.G. Gaikwad, which again recommended that Maratha community should be given approximately 16% reservation. And the same was again passed by Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. But when the matter was challenged in Bombay High Court stated that reservation should be given, but up to 12% in the matter of education, and when it comes to public employment, a total of 13% reservation should be given to Maratha community. So when this judgment of Bombay High Court was challenged before Supreme Court in 2021, 5 judges bench of Supreme Court stated that such observation of M.G. Gaikwad committee was not based on any reason and is not related to the data that was collected by the committee. Again, Supreme Court reiterated that when we look at Indira Sahane judgment, it stated that 50% reservation in public employment and in education is a ceiling limit. It needs to be adhered to, and only in certain exceptional circumstances state can grant reservation over and above the ceiling limit. And in the present case, there is no such extraordinary circumstances shown which is required to grant certain extra reservation to Maratha community, and accordingly such reservation was struck off by the Supreme Court. Again, in December 2023, Maharashtra State Backward Class Commission was formed, which was chaired by retired Justice Sunil Sukhre. The committee gave certain recommendations like up to 10% seats should be reserved for Maratha community in education as well as public employment. Committee stated that Maratha community should be counted under SEBCs, that is socially and educationally backward classes, and should be specified in Article 342A Clause 3. What is this article? So this article allows state or union territory to make a separate list of SEBCs within the state. And the committee further stated that under Article 15 Clause 4, 15 Clause 5 and 16 Clause 4, a special reservation should be given to Maratha community in the matter of education as well as public employment. And to substantiate this claim, committee suggested or gave certain facts, that is, up to 28% population of the state is of Maratha community, and out of it, 84% of the Maratha community is not well advanced. Why this is so? Because of poverty rate or because of declining agricultural income. These are contributing to the fact that Maratha community is not doing well or is not exceptionally advanced. Apart from this, the committee further suggested that 94% of the farmers' suicide that happen in state is from Maratha community. So all these circumstances shows that there is special and extraordinary circumstances are generated to give 10% reservation to Maratha community. On the basis of Maharashtra State Backward Class Commission recommendation, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde presented the Maratha Reservation Bill in Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, which passed it and granted 10% reservation to Maratha community in education as well as public employment within the state. However, this reservation was not given under the category of SEBCs, that is OBCs. This reservation was given apart from the existing 52% reservation in the state, considering that they are not falling under the OBC category, but it is a separate reservation which is given. Apart from it, it was also stated in the bill that the creamy layer exclusion will be applicable, that is, the category of Maratha community falling within the creamy layer will not be able to take advantage of the reservation. However, those falling under creamy layer will be able to get the advantage of this 10% reservation. So this was all about the Maratha Reservation Bill and the journey of this bill. Now this bill is again challenged before the Bombay High Court. So let's see what is the judicial scrutiny of this bill. I want you to tell me in the comment box, what do you think will be the decision of judiciary with respect to Maratha Reservation Bill? So if you liked the video and the video was helpful to you, if you are able to understand the journey of Maratha Reservation Bill, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.